everyone, I'm so excited for this video. Today we're gonna play Don't Press the Button, and it's gonna be insane, it's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be fun game, sometimes dying, sometimes losing, sometimes winning, sometimes your name comes up as the winners are like this and this, but doesn't matter, it matters if we have fun. Right, sis? Oh, I forgot to mention, my sister here is watching with me to play this game.
Hi guys!
So let's continue to play. So oh my, I got killed straight away. How unfair. So wait, that, stop saying that, man. Jeez, that's crazy.
Man, that's a girl.
Lava is rising.
Sis, only one time I've won in this game.
Yeah, I've seen it. I always lose to this.
Oh, it's okay. I'll learn you to win, okay, sis?
Sis, you are not my mom. Look, these guys look like true twins.
Oh my god!
Congratulations for being a mom, sweetheart. Congrats.
The other twin is lost.
The lost twin. Ooh.
Yeah, you are pro at this now because you have that.
Yep. I
No,
can
no, no,
move as fast as I can. Look, he fell instantly by 2 blocks. Let's make that 3.
Sis, look, it's right behind you for 4 steps. It's even not close to you.
Yep, not even close. So I'm gonna survive for like, I'm next to a bacon. Who's gonna win over a bacon, huh? Who?
That's my skin.
Sis, it's not you. You are a different person. You are you. You is you. No one else.
And is my skin beautiful? That's how my skin is.
Oh, sis, calm down. Phoenix Fire won 10 coins. Yeah, let's go. I won.
Good job. You got
I absolutely won. I nailed it like always.
I want to talk.
Oh my god, Baldy, what happened to my face? What did you do to my face, huh? Oh my god, I'm gonna kill that dude sometimes. But snap. Come on.
Yes, you need to take him to the void.
Take him to a void. Come on, Baldy.
Sis, go in the void.
Yeah, I just don't want this face. I'm gonna die. Yeah.
Imagine you find this face on Roblox when you do your skin.
Yeah, that would be.
Don't jump. Look at it.
I already know.
Look at this guy. This is so ugly.
We have a big head. Hi, big heady. So
they're so ugly. Ew.
we have an emo guy here. Emo.
Okay,
take a fire.
But take. You're so you don't see the.
It's not my fault that a fire swim. See, she didn't even do it in time.
Because she doesn't know what to do.
Yep, correct. Oops, y'all. Okay, we don't care actually.
Yeah, we don't care. Sis, why are you so dumb?
I'm clumsy! Sister, I'm clumsy. I don't know what to do about it, and so don't comment about my clumsiness.
You should play some hobbies so you can practice. Because that's how I do
Are you
it.
questioning my skills? Because that's how it sounds to me.
I play hobbies and I'd be better at it.
Okay, sis, I'm gonna try that advice sometimes.
I've won some hobbies.
Get through all the six rings.
You're the first one.
So let's just go up.
You're a fast girl, bruh. You're just the first one. The other one are behind.
Even though I'm 188 feet tall, I can still go. And my name come up, Phoenix 24345, and my nickname is Phoenix Fire. I only added fire in it. I know, guys, I'm stupid. I wanted a Tigerian, but I don't know how to name Tigerian, so I did fire.
Oh, it's okay, sis. Fire is better. Phoenix is a fire.
Low Alex Fire. Oh, low egg.
Oh, I wish it was a secret so I can kill everybody.
Except me. Oh, what is this?
A paper thingy, whatever it is.
Okay. So I'm gonna pick that up in
Since
case.
you need a torch so you can light this place up.
But I don't know how much money I have actually. I have
You have enough. It needs 100.
100. I don't need a torches. Oh, I'm gonna do this one. You know what this does?
One.
Exit. It makes you invisible.
Oh, I'm sad.
Okay, now.
Wait a second. I have enough money.
Yeah, because only $45. Okay, so how did it even saw me, man? I was like invisible, like this.
Maybe.
I'm invisible. Oh, look at he doesn't even see me. Yeah. So it doesn't last for a very long time, as I can absolutely see. But I don't even care anymore.
I'm
Ve-
very sad with you.
Why?
Because you have it.
Sis. Okay, now let's follow some people because I followed once and they found it immediately. Like immediately.
Bacons are noobs.
Excuse me?
Since I
Bacon, everyone is cool in their own way, sister.
If someone is weird with noob, I will fucking ban them.
Excuse me? You cannot ban anyone for that reason.
Wait,
What?
nothing.
You gonna say something, huh? You want to say something, huh? I know you're gonna say something, and
But I've gotten this when I got a dead end.
I didn't.
Mm.
Okay.
Be careful, sis.
I will, don't worry. Wait for me, Ava. You tried to kill me once, but I don't even care anymore if you kill me. Okay, let's follow this way, that way, this way, that way. Okay. Now I'm completely lost. I'm completely...
You're in dead end. 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2,
And
one.
You dare to do that to me? Oh my god. I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? Oh yeah.
Sis, go ahead. You're so dumb all the time.
Come on.
You got first place of throwing it.
So I need to get some more. I need to win this. I need to put decoration on true like Christmas Day. I don't even care where I move. I don't even care anymore. Why is it not working? Why is it not working actually? Actually, what the?
Someone passed you, I think.
I don't think so.
Look at the bacon and look at that blue hair guy.
I don't know. You mean that guy who...
This guy right here.
Oh, I know.
On the left.
I'm not gonna lose like always. I always lose.
Oh, don't worry.
Time's up. Who's gonna win? Time's up.
Come on. I told you someone.
Yay! Who cares, but who cares?
Don't get close to the button, girl.
Put all the fire across. Okay,
You
then.
need to put it here.
Oh, these fire rocks, huh?
Yeah.
I got one. I got it.
Look,
I put the last firework. I'm a genius. Oh, where did you go, actually?
Sid, don't pick it and then put it back. You're gonna get all of them. Jesus, you're so not smart all the time.
You dare to accuse me? I'm like 5 years older than you.
I don't care. Smaller gets more love.
You dare to question me that question, my dear?
And you're just jealous.
I'm not jealous. I'm not absolutely jealous.
And this is one of my third favorite games.
Third favorite game. Who is your favorite game?
Dragon Adventures?
You mean Dragon Awards, that the dragon game that you can ride dragon, trade dragons, and do nothing for the rest of a week?
Yeah.
Yeah? Say it! Say it to my face, sweetheart. I know. Ha!
The blue are supposed to win than you because you're just bad at this game. What did she say? First blow. First JoJo. Are you kidding me?
First JoJo.
What is even a JoJo?
I don't care actually, sis. I'm putting it. Why? It doesn't work actually. Man.
Look at this girl. It's even better than you.
Ali, a shorty. Oh my god. I can't even do this anymore. I am absolutely destroyed. I want to be invisible. That's it.
Yes, I bought something.
What did you buy?
Give it to me. Fine, I'm not. It's very beautiful.
I don't care about your stupid things.
But it's so beautiful.
So guys, sorry for the skip. I don't usually do the skips, so I'm pretty sorry. Let's just continue and have fun like always.
Roblox is there. I wish I had Roblox.
We don't, sis. I'm sorry. Not everything comes to our wish. Oh my god, this guy again. Get him out of our sight.
And he says, "Don't meet at my place. Give me some Roblox." That's what he said.
Because noobs always ask that.
Want to be friends? I don't want to be friends with you, mister.
Of course, we don't. Donate to me.
What does donate even mean?
Who has got to a stranger anyways? King of the hill. Yeah, I'm gonna hit you.
Sis, do you mind if I get any new server? Because that shorty is very good at this.
I know. And why is so good? Come to my place. I don't care to come in out your base, stupid bacon. I don't.
It's not a bacon, it's a noob. I don't name such a thing.
Oh my god, I always mistake stuff. I'm so dumb. I'm so stupid.
That's right.
Excuse me? You dare say that to me?
Please, you. You see, she's so good. Let's go to a new server.
I don't need to go to a new server because of her. Sometimes it's not about winning. She's gonna win the tsunami. So guys, I didn't survive quite well with tsunami. You don't want to say how I really acted, right?
Yeah. It's a, secret.
Secret. So, I'm gonna beat this guy's ass.
Yeah? That shorty is at AFK.
No, the short is right here. Oh. Told you. Actually, told you. 21, 22. Yeah. I'm gonna go invisible.
Are you kidding me?
I don't care about that, sis. You know that. Ooh.
Oh no, it's not it's the shorty.
Don't care. I'm gonna. Okay, let me.
See the button's up. You see? That thing is so dumb.
Come on. Bye. What, sis? It's not about winning. It's about having fun. Look, that girl left. I don't care. I'm gonna stay until I fight. Fight is not.
Says you have something funny that can fight.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. You are so smart. Let's go with the tail.
Look, guys, what this does. It's very funny.
1, 2, 3. Why are you hitting yourself? I'm not like a psycho thing. Ooh.
No, you're not.
I'm with her. You've got to be kidding me.
Yay! But you can win with us. We can get 10 coins.
I don't need her to win, sis. We can win by ourselves. Sometimes we don't need ours to win. We need to do it by ourselves and have fun. Obviously,
We all are gonna win.
sis, why are you so focused about winning every single time?
Because I want some money.
Are you here about money?
Yeah?
Spoiled.
I want money to spend it on stuff.
Now, guys, that's how I'm gonna end the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And comment down below what should I do next. So.